Hi, I'm Dr. Francis LaRosa. I have worked at Virginia Eye Institute for 15 years. I'm a glaucoma specialist, cataract surgeon, and surgeon for reconstruction of the anterior segment. Virginia Eye Institute is a Cadillac practice. It's one of the best places I know of to practice. It's a great place for both physicians and patients, and it's a wonderful place in Richmond to come get your eye care. I learned about ophthalmology because when I was a kid, I was awfully nearsighted, and I was enrolled in a medical trial, and I had firsthand experiences with ophthalmologists when I was just a little guy, and developed an interest then, and one thing led to another, and here I am, an ophthalmologist many years later. One of the great things about ophthalmology is that it's a mix of the office setting and the surgery setting, and we go back and forth on a weekly basis between seeing patients in the clinical setting, and you get to develop long-term relationships with patients and learn who they are, and that's a wonderful thing. But it also the surgery side of it is tremendously fulfilling because you can take and really make a marked improvement in people's lives in a single setting, and so it's a lovely marriage of the two. I look back at the way that I practiced, particularly glaucoma, 15 years ago, and I almost don't do anything the same. None of the drugs that I use are the same. None of the surgeries that I do are the same. Specifically for glaucoma, what we're doing is lowering the pressure, and as every year that goes by, we have different surgical procedures that we use, different implants that we use, and so virtually every aspect of what we do is in constant flux. Probably the latest improvement we've made is the inclusion of the LensX laser in our cataract surgery, and we're excited about that because we feel like that takes cataract surgery a step ahead. The repeated stories that we see in ophthalmology are we can take somebody and 20 minutes later they can go from basically bumping into the walls down the hallway to seeing 20/20 off in the distance, and that's just it's a wonderfully fulfilling thing. So, and that's one of the lovely things about my job is I get to see that story repeated, not just yearly but even weekly.